So announcement हुआ है कि tornado is going to hit in another 15 minutes, and we are in this safe area, which has got fire blockage. It has got. Oh.
Attention, please. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning that includes Denver International Airport. Please remain alert for any instructions.
We are at the Denver airport, and there is a tornado warning.